how to create an Oculus account. So if you want to create an Oculus account, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser which you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and you can search for Oculus login. And once you search, here you will have Oculus login on the first, right? Oculus.com. Click on the first search and here it will take you to the Oculus. So if you want to create your account, if you have not created your account, then you can scroll down and here you will have login with Facebook, right? Click on login with Facebook and here it will take you to login or create page. So from here you can choose continue with email, Instagram or Facebook. So I'll be choosing email and then you need to enter the email address and click on next. And here you need to enter the confirmation code that you have received to your email address. So open up your mail and then you need to copy this code and paste it here and then click on next. And once you've entered that, here you need to click on next again to create your profile. And your username, you can choose any username that you are comfortable with and then click on next. Now you can choose your social settings and then click on review and now click on accept and continue, and that's it. That's how you set up your profile. Click on finish and that's it. Now you've been logged into your account. Click on OK and that's it. That's how you create your account or create your profile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.